What's up, mother flippers? Give you a little garage update. We've been kind of busy. My regular day job has been real busy, but we got some changes out here. As you can see, we don't have anything green left in here. We sold the 2013 KLX 140L. I sold that on Saturday. I'm in Las Vegas. I post some of this stuff in Kingman and St. George too. Those are both smaller towns 2 hours away, because there's not as much stuff for sale there. So sometimes people are willing to take the drive to Vegas. I actually met the guy halfway, like on the Arizona borderline, an hour from here. So he took the KLX 140, and he was actually asking about if I had any other bikes. So I mentioned this 2003 XT 225. So I'm gonna go back to the state line on Saturday, and he's gonna take this bike also, which is pretty cool. So we got rid of the KLX 140, and then we got rid of the 2017 Kawasaki Z125. Somebody came and picked that up today. Today's Wednesday. So we sold that, and that was a guy local in town that came and picked it up. And then last night I went and picked up this scooter and two e-bikes and this little bike trailer. The deal was you had to take everything. The scooter came with a title. It's got the key, it's got the title. He says it doesn't run. When I was on the camera charge, I was tinkering around. I had spark. It turned over with a booster pack, and I hit it with a little bit of carb cleaner, and it fired up. So, but it's a two-stroke, so we don't want to really run it on that. So I see it's not getting fuel. The fuel pump is working, but we'll get to this one. I think I can get this thing running. This is a nice, easy one. It's only got 3,200 miles on it. And then this bike here has one drive motor on the front hub. This is just like an e-bike conversion. And then this fat tire bike has it on the front and the rear. These are all conversions. And then online it says these front hub, these conversions are between $300 and $450. And then these trailers you always see for sale from $50 to $150, $150 for the nicer. This is like a $50 one. So I can get $50 for this. I'm thinking I can get at least $100 for each wheel and controller. And $500 for the scooter not running. If I get it running, I think I can get anywhere from $1,000 to $2,500 for it. It's an Aprilia, a 2005 Aprilia. It's a pretty nice scooter. But I got all this stuff. I got all this for free last night, actually. It was on the free section. Sometimes there's a lot of people with money here in Vegas. They're always just, you never know what's up there. But today's Wednesday. I'm hoping by the end of the weekend, I'm hoping to get rid of this on Saturday. I'm going to probably take these apart or take some pictures and post them. Honestly, this stuff here, I'll take whatever I can get for it. I know I'll get a couple $100. Hopefully I sell it this weekend. And then this bike here, I'm done with this. We changed the oil. We got the missing plastic. What else did I buy for this? We got the missing plastic. I did front and rear brakes because the brakes were actually crap. And then I repaired the blinker in the back, and I finally got the blinker in the front here. So now all the lights work. Everything works nice as it should. So I'm done with this bike. And this, I'm only into it for like $800. But I think I'm going to ride this for a little bit. This is the perfect bike I can ride downtown. And God forbid it got stolen. It wouldn't be the end of the world. I only got $800 into it. And it's nice. It looks nice enough flying by. But when it's sitting there in a parking lot, it's got some scratches. People might not want to steal it. So, but this we can definitely get $2,000 for. So back to the KLX 140L. That I bought for $1,000, and it was a nice clean bike with a title. Honestly, I didn't have to do anything. All I did was I rode it up to the mountain, to Griffith's Peak, and back to make sure that it ran good. And it was a good running bike. Sold it, $2,000, doubled my money, easy $1,000. And then the Kawasaki Z125. I just sold that for $2,100, and that I paid $1,200, and I gave the guy the Yamaha PW80, which I had $375 into it. So I made $525. You know, I should have just sold that PW80 and then never even got that Z125. Now that I got one of those Groms, I know that they're only worth, in reality, $1,800. I would have never paid more than $1,200 for one of them now. Like $1,200 flat, nothing, no trades with it either. But yeah, that's it for now. We're gonna mess with the scooter, try to get it running. We're gonna post these. I have no desire in keeping these. We're just gonna sell all this stuff. Whatever anybody shows up with, I'm gonna take. Easy money. It even came with some extra rims and parts, so we'll be able to sell that. The scooter I'm excited about. If this scooter runs, I'm probably going to keep the scooter for a little bit, but we'll mess with it another day. I got work in the morning. So that's it for now. Everybody just keep it moving. Take it easy. What's up, mother flippers? This is that scooter we got the other night. I had just went through it quick, put power to it, it turned over. My compression tool, it didn't make the angle to get in the spark plug, so I couldn't check compression, but it seemed like it had decent compression. It had spark, and if I hit it with a little starter fluid, it would fire up. So it's definitely a fuel delivery issue, or it's got bad gas. But even after starting it for a second and pulling the plug, it was dry, so I don't think it's getting fuel. So I washed it, and I just put these two panels back on. I actually had a new battery, I put it in there, and I posted it as is. I don't want to waste my time with this one. If I have nothing else going on, I would, but to make a couple $100 and spend all that time, I'd rather just make a couple $100 and not do much. So we got that posted. This one we're done with. I finally got the blinker, and like I said, I put brake pads in there. These rear brake pads, there's like nothing left of them. And then this bulb, these blinker bulbs, nobody had them in stock. You had to order them. It's an oddball bulb. Now this bike over here, we're gonna go drop this off for meeting this guy at the Arizona state line. He bought the KLX 140 last weekend, and now he's gonna take this one. So it's 3 bikes in 7 days. Somebody may come for this today too. Somebody messaged me this morning. If I can do 4, that'd be great. And then after I drop that off on the way back, on the way home, I'm going to look at a 2008 KTM 990 Super Duke. Hopefully I can pick that up on the way home, because we got room for more. That's it for now. I'll update you when something new happens. There it is, Lake Mead. Look at the water line. Nah, you probably can't see it from here. Last stop. Drive a tank. Shoot a machine gun. Off-road raceway. Land farm. We're in between Kingman, Arizona and Vegas. There's nothing out here. There's the Hoover Dam over there. Can't see it, unfortunately. There's everybody going to look at the dam. There it is, back in Nevada. Another bike sold. I'm gonna go look at another one right now too. Back in the Pacific time zone.